As an educational content developer, the types of content you would develop may vary depending on the target audience, the subject matter, and goals of the project. However, some common types of content that you might develop include lesson plans. Now, educational content developers may create lesson plans for teachers to use in their classroom. The lesson plans may include learning objectives, instructional strategies, assessment, and other resources to support the students' learning needs. Curriculum materials. Now, educational content developers may create curriculum materials such as textbooks, workbooks, and study guides that align with the standards and learning objectives of a particular subject or course. E-learning content. Now, with the increasing popularity of online learning, educational content developers may create e-learning content such as interactive modules, videos, and quizzes that can be accessed by students and teachers on a digital platforms, be it mobile or whatever device. Professional development resources. Now, educational content developers may create resources for teachers to enhance their professional development, such as training materials, webinars, and workshops. Assessment materials. Now, educational content developers may create assessments materials such as quizzes, tests, and rubrics to measure students' learning and provide feedback to both students and teachers. Multimedia content. Now, educational content developers may also create multimedia content such as animation, simulations, and virtual field trips to engage students and enhance their learning experience. So overall, the goal of educational content developers is to create high quality and effective content that supports students' learning and achievement and meet the needs of teachers, students, and other stakeholders such as their parents.